Hello students, I am Jagat Singh welcomes you in our YouTube channel Maths Zone. Today we discuss on the new topics cell tax and value added tax. Cell tax means ST, cell and tax, and VAT means value added tax. So the question is, what is cell tax and what is the value added tax? Cell tax is charged by the shopkeepers on the things that he sold in the market. So that cell tax applied on the bill of the things which sold by the shopkeepers to the customer. And value added tax in these days some charges applied on the products on the things, so that is known as VAT. तो जितनी भी चीज़ें होती हैं, जितनी भी चीज़ें मार्केट में सप्लाई होती हैं, तो उन सब चीज़ों पर ये वैट नाम का टैक्स अप्लाई किया जाता है। जितने भी आर्टिकल्स होते हैं उन सब पर इस वैल्यू एडिड टैक्स को अप्लाई किया जाता है। तो जैसे आपने कहीं मार्केट में कोई सामान खरीदा, कोई थिंग्स आपने परचेज की, सामान किया, जूते खरीदे या कॉस्मेटिक मटेरियल्स हैं या फिर अपनी डेली नीड की कोई चीज़ें खरीदी हैं, तो उनके जो भी वैल्यू होगी, जो आपको डिस्काउंट देने के बाद जो भी चार्जेस आपके बिल में बैठेगा, तो उस चार्जेस पर 10% या 5% जो भी गवर्नमेंट ने अप्लाई किया हुआ है उस टैक्स को उस पर अप्लाई किया जाता है और उसको हम बोलते हैं वैल्यू विद द सेल टैक्स। आपने पढ़ा हुआ कुछ चीज़ों के ऊपर लिखा हुआ मैक्सिमम रेटेड प्राइस विद इंक्लूसिव ऑल टैक्सेस और एक्सक्लूसिव ऑल टैक्सेस। तो इंक्लूसिव मीन्स कि उस जो रेट आप लिखा हुआ है नोटेड ऑन द थिंग्स इज include the cell tax, but if exclusive cell tax, then the some value or some tax would be applied on the values of the items in the market. How we solve these questions on the basis, now let's one examples MP लिखिए क्योंकि मार्केट प्राइस है। मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ रेफ्रिजरेटर इज ₹14,650 rupees and 6% cell tax is applied on 6% on it. Then how many rupees the customer should be paid to the shopkeepers so that refrigerator will be taken? So first of all, find the cell tax. Cell tax is equal to MP into tax upon 100. 14,650 is the MP and 6% tax should be applied here. Now multiply it by 6. 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36 or 3 39, 3 6 4 is 24, 24 or 3 27, 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6 or 2 8 and divide it by 10. It means 0 to 0 cancel, 879 rupees. So all applied on the refrigerator, to SPO refrigerator will be equal to rupees 14,650, 879 and it will be equal to 9 7 5 12, 9 or 6 15 and 4 1 5 1. 15,529 rupees will be the cell tax on this product in rupees 1980, 1,980 rupees including tax 10%. In this case 10% tax included in the price of 19,080. It means this is the SP of watch. SP means rupees C pay rupees 1,980 including tax. We want to find the original price of the watch. What is the market price of the watch? Let the original price cost of watch rupees X, and 10% sell tax, so X plus X into 10 upon 100, it means 10 1 ja 10, 10x plus x upon 10, 11x upon 10 is the selling price. 11x upon 10. Now 11x upon 10 is given to equal to 1980. So x equal to 1980 into 10 upon 11. 11 9 1 ja 11, 11 is 80, 8 and 0. So that is the 1800 is the cost original price. This is the market price of the watch, 1800. And on this watch 10% tax, then it will be 1980. Take one more examples on it. In this case, selling price of VCR is rupees 19,980 and MP of market price of VCR is equal to 18,500. It means MP means this is the original price of VCR is 18,500 and he sold it in inclusive taxes 19,980. Then the question is, what is the rate of the VAT? The VAT will be let VAT is equal to X%, and this will be applied on the market price or original price of the VCR. So what is VAT? SP of VCR is equal to, ये SP VCR की जो SP होगी वो किस पर होगी? ओरिजिनल प्राइस 18,500 प्लस 18,500 into X upon 100. Cancel 2020. So it will be SP of VCR is given 19,980 and subtract it 18,500 from it, then you have 185x. 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 8 1, 1480 is equal to 185x, and it will be equal to x. VAT is equal to 1480 upon 185. You will get the percentage of the VAT. 5 3 ja 15, 3 5 7 ja 35, and 5 2 ja 10, 4 45 48, 5 9 ja 45, 5 6 ja 30, 5 9 ja 45 or 3 5 6 ja 30, and then when we divide 296 by 37, 8 ja, and x is equal to 8%. So that is the VAT. So required VAT is equal to 8% on the VCR. So dear friends, by this way you can find the original price, or by original price you can find the SP of the material which we purchase from the market, and selling price, rate of sell tax or rate of VAT can be found by these methods. I hope you have understand this topic clearly. If you are new ones on our channel, then subscribe our channel first, because of when we uploaded the new topics on this channel, you get first notification on our videos. And thank you for watching.